What's up, my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back at you with another video. So in this video, I am going to be testing out, trying on and possibly testing out, coming back, give you a wear test, all that kind of stuff. It just all depends on how this day goes. So you'll know by the time you see the end of this video if this video makes it to the light of day, because my lighting was off at some points. So I don't know if I'm going to upload this video. But anyway, it is the Too Faced Born This Way Oil-Free, Oil-Controlling, Waterproof, Transfer-Resistant Foundation. This is the box. This is the bottle. I cannot talk. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think the original was oil-free. I'm not sure. Yes, oil-free. Oil-free, undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation. This one says 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation. So this one says 24-hour super long wear, and this one says undetectable medium coverage. So, and you can tell just by looking at this that these have two different undertones. The one on the left has more of a redder, warmer undertone, and this one has a neutral undertone. So, and this is the one I have on today. So I don't know how this foundation is going to oxidize or anything, because I've just had my makeup completely done for maybe like the last 10 minutes, and while I went and finished getting dressed and all that kind of good jazz. So let's see how this day goes. If you were interested in seeing how this foundation looks when I first put it on and all that good jazz, then please continue to watch. So if you saw my video about the fiasco with the shipping of my products and the Too Faced customer service, then you would know why I'm late with this video. I'm also late with this video because I decided at the last minute that I didn't want to try the matte foundation. And of course, right now, with me being back at work and wearing the mask, matte foundations come in handy, because I always wear my Fenty, and you guys know I wear the one that is matte. So that definitely comes in handy. But anyway, I do have the Too Faced Born This Way in the matte, and I am going to give this a try today to see how it looks now. I did prime my face with my Fenty. Y'all, I am getting tongue-tied this morning. It's happening a lot since my voice is when I wake up in the morning and I have all this going on. But anyway, and it lasts throughout the day too, so I don't know why I'm saying in the morning. But anyway, it's a True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer, and this is my Fenty primer. And Watermelon Glow Recipe Ultra Fine Mist on. I don't know why. I guess just to use up my product, because it's not a setting spray. So anyway, the color that I did get in the Born This Way matte foundation is caramel. And you all know that before I told you in the original formula that I tried to make work for me, I did get caramel, not caramel, I used to get brulee and butter pecan, and both of those had the wrong undertones. But caramel is described as a rich tan with neutral undertones, and I am a neutral undertone, so I'm hoping this works perfectly on my face. I don't know, we're gonna see. So I have my favorite brush here. I've already color corrected. I went back to doing my eyes first, but that's because I want my, what's this stuff under, my color corrector to kind of sit, because what I was doing was put my color corrector on, then put my foundation on, and it would kind of rub off my color corrector. But if I put my color corrector on and then do my eyes, it kind of helps it sit a little better. But anyway, it kind of helps it dries down. But anyway, let's put this here. Okay, so I'm going to say that's about 2.5 pumps, and that's what it looks like. Okay, it looks almost, dare I say, like it could be a smidgen, not that much, but a smidgen too dark. Yeah, it is, but not that much, not that much. Nothing that would be noticeable. It's not that much. And right now I'm tanned, so yeah, it works out. Now when the tan is gone, it'll definitely be too dark. But this is the perfect. So this right here would be my perfect summer color. Y'all, I am getting so much better with picking out foundations online. So much better. And yes, right now, so far, this color is definitely better. The undertone and everything is better than the brulee and the butter pecan, because they made me look really, really red. And this doesn't. They were too, I guess you could say, warm, but this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm so glad that I chose this color. And I am sure I can make this work when the tan is gone, because like I said, it's like right now, it's an on match color. Y'all see? I still rub my color corrector off there. So I'm still working on that process, I guess. Because I rubbed too hard, I guess. I don't know. But still working on that. But all my color corrector is not gone. So that's the good part. So I think what I'm going to do, and I've never done, what do you call that? I've never done one of those wear tests where you go and you wear the foundation all day and then you come back and show how it looks. Never done one of those. So I think I may do one of those today. I don't know. I'll let y'all know. Y'all know when this video gets uploaded if I decide to do a wear test.
I like it. I know if you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising.
If y'all see this video, that's because my lighting changed on my camera, because something was going on with my camera. It's acting funky, and I kept looking in the viewfinder and I was looking dark. Like, not me as far as complexion, not me as far as my complexion, but as far as my surroundings, things were looking dark. And no, we can't have a poor quality video. I mean, just like I got rid of the video where I was telling y'all about, well, I was telling y'all don't know, but I made a video where I was talking about how I met my wife, because you guys asked about that, and I contoured too much there. What am I doing? What are you doing, Alicia? What are you doing? But anyway, with that one, I ended up having to trash that because I didn't like the quality of it, so I'm going to have to do that video again. So yeah, but it happens. It goes with the territory when you're doing YouTube videos. All right, you guys, so here I am all dressed and ready to go using the Born This Way foundation. And like I said, I tried to remember to come in and show you guys what my face looks like after wearing this all day at work, as well as wearing mask. Let me say, in my classroom, unless we're having a meeting in my classroom, I don't wear my mask. But anytime I'm in the halls, or I'm going to someone else's classroom or what have you, and I'm going to be there for a minute and go past the door, I have on my mask. But like if I'm going to like the classroom right next door to me on the right or the left or what have you, I don't, if I'm just going to the door to say something to one of those teachers, then I don't put on my mask because we're like way apart. But if I'm going in and we're gonna sit, we're gonna talk and all that kind of stuff, then I'll put on my mask. So I do wear my mask several times throughout the day, anytime I come out of my room pretty much. Unless I'm just going right across to the restroom, which of course I do that a lot because I've been drinking one of these every day, and that's not what this video is about. But yes, so I'm back and forth. So it's a good thing right now that we are virtual. So yeah, but I'm not going to talk about my thoughts on virtual learning right now and how things are going, because that's not what this video is about. But anyway, like I said, I will try to come back in and show you guys what I'm looking like later on. I have things to do after work, so I just hope I don't forget. So anyway, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. This is the second day I've worn my hair down this week. I wore it down Monday. I had a few little curls in it, and then I've had it in a ponytail. And, you know, I had one puff, then I had another ponytail. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Thank you all so much for coming to check out a video here on my channel. I do appreciate you. If you have not hit that subscribe button already, then I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have not commented, go ahead and leave me your comments. Tell me what you want to see on the channel. Tell me what you think of the foundation, just all that good jazz. And don't forget to share this video across all your social media sites. So as I always say, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye. All right, you guys, so I am off of work and it is 4:48. So I get off at 3:30, whatever. So like I said, I wear my mask throughout the day, not consistently throughout the day. Unlike one teacher that I've seen my mascara, my eyeliner ran. But unlike one teacher I see in her class on her computer teaching with a mask on, like nobody's in there with her. But anyway, that's none of my business. But anyway, so as the makeup held up, and like I said, it's matte now. If it were, let's see, y'all see that bump right there? Just disrespectful. If it were not matte, I don't think I would be looking like this. Now, I do have a little bit of oilage here, but my skin is oily, so that is to be expected. And I only have on one earring because my this ear has been bothering me the last couple of days, so I had to take my earring off. But anyway, all in all, I think it held up really, really good. I like the foundation thus far. I think my face was a little bit plain today though, because I didn't like highlight enough, but overall it's okay. It's okay. It works. It does what it does. And y'all, I need a style for my hair. This has nothing to do with this video, but I really do need a style. Y'all know that? Now don't get me wrong, it's cute now, boo. It's cute. It's cute. That got nothing to do with what I'm saying. But anyway, that's all I wanted, just to come in and show y'all where I'm at. And so yeah, I got my live with my girls tonight, so we're gonna cut it up. So make sure you're there. This video won't be uploaded tonight, so y'all won't know that I said that. But anyway, yeah, so here's my makeup right now. Deuces.